In this lesson, we're going to be working with formatting text, making text bold, italic, underlined, and other formatting options. Let's start with creating a text element and making it bold. We'll start by creating a new paragraph under our last header. Now, to make this text bold, we would add the following tags around the text we just typed. Strong, that's a strong open tag, and a corresponding strong close tag. Now let's save this file and take a look at it in our web browser. So this is what the bold text looks like. Now we want a second line of text directly under this bold text line. So using the tab key, you can indent just to keep the format of your code clean and organized. This next text element, we're gonna make it italic. To make it italic, you use the tag. And the EM tag does have a corresponding close tag. Now remember, if we want this italic text line directly under the bold text line, we need to add a line break. And we'll add another break here because right underneath this, we're going to add an underlined text, which is created with the U tag. We can also insert a strike through our text using the strike tag. It also has a corresponding closing strike tag. So let's take a look at what this looks like so far. So here we can see we have our bold text, italic text, underlined, and strike through text. That's what it looks like in the browser. Now let's go ahead and just add another break. For this next line, we're going to combine a variety of different formatting options together. So let's type the text first. So we want to make this line of text bold, italic, and underlined. So we'll begin by adding all our tags. We can start with any, the order doesn't matter. So we'll start with italics, and we'll create the closing tag at the end. So as you can see, the tags must be closed in the same order they were opened. And I'll save that. And so there it is. We have a line of text that's bold, italic, and underlined.